Hey y'all, welcome back. Let's transform my hair in less than 5 minutes. So, first things first, I already moisturized and detangled my hair for this hairstyle. So, if you want to know how I achieved this, you should watch my previous video where I didn't take care of my hair for 5 days and I had to detangle my hair. Oh my god, that was a struggle. It's titled Natural Hair Struggle, and I'll be leaving the link in this video so that you can watch it. But yeah, the first thing I had to do was to section out my hair, the part that I would be leaving in front, and then to the rest of my hair, I'm going to be putting it in a high puff. Just to introduce myself, hey guys, my name is Neye and I create content tailored to natural hair. I want other girlies to grow a natural, healthy hair, and this is what I do. I do this out of love. Dear natural hair girlies, I do this out of love. Oh my god. So, I also create content tailored to my lifestyle, just a little bit about fashion, but we've not dived into that in full. Yeah. Now back to the video. I have my hair in a high puff, and for the section that I'll be leaving in front, I'm just going to be doing a twist just to define the curls a little bit more. Okay, just for definition, nothing else. So all I'm doing here is just fluffing my puff, just to make it look nice. I'm just showing you the back of my hair and what it looks like. To elevate my look, I added this beautiful hair clip. Just elevate the look of this whole hair. And now I'll be unraveling the curls. Today is my birthday as well. Oh my gosh, you guys, happy birthday to me. It's definitely a blessing to celebrate my birthday with you guys as well. And I'm so grateful to God for adding another beautiful year to my life. So now you be the judge. How easy was this hairstyle? Rate it in the comment section. I want you guys to rate it in the comment section. This hair looks absolutely stunning. I find it so cute, both for adults and for children. I love it. And we've come to the end of this video. Please like this video, share it with your friend, leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Don't forget to check out my previous one. Bye.